Hello, this is Amanda May and welcome to my home. I'm going to show you these LOVECASA white ceramic ramekins. They are so delightful. They are oven safe, dishwasher safe, and I've used them to prepare breakfast as well as desserts in my home, and I want to show you how they work. So I'm just preparing breakfast here, and then in a moment I'm going to bake some fruit tarts and show you how I do that. So I love the ruffle edge of these ramekins. It adds a really elegant touch to my dishes, and it has that fun grand millennial style with that modern twist. Really love that. Now we're going to bake. So I pulled out my puff pastry sheets and set them out to thaw. And then I grabbed a large bag of frozen berries. There's approximately 6 cups of berries here. And I'm going to be adding lemon zest. Then I'm going to be adding lemon juice in. And then we're going to do fresh maple syrup. And then after the maple syrup, we are going to add the cornstarch, and that's going to help catch all those wonderful berry liquids as it's baking. So I put that in, we're going to mix it up, and then we're going to get our puff pastry out. I'm going to use my kid sandwich cutters to cut out some fun shapes with puff pastry to use with these ramekins. I made sure that the size of these would fit on the LOVECASA ramekins, and I'm just so excited to show you these. I'm going to fill the bottoms of these with the remnants from the puff pastry that weren't used for the cutouts, so that's going to go on the bottom, and then I'm going to scoop in the frozen berry filling here, and then I'm going to top the ramekins up with the puff pastry that I cut out, and then we're going to do an egg wash on top of that with the egg whites. And then we are going to put these in the oven. I set the temperature of the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're going to bake these in the oven for 25 minutes. I went ahead and set these ramekins on a baking sheet just in case, so that if anything bubbled over, that would catch it and it wouldn't go down in the bottom of my oven. And here's what they look like, all baked and ready. So we are so excited to eat and enjoy these. Again, these are my favorite new little baking dish. So happy that they are dishwasher and oven safe. I'm Amanda May of Ardith Design and At Our Home with Amanda May, and I want to thank the company for sending me these in exchange for an honest review, and I hope you enjoy your new Ruffle Edge ramekins. Take care and happy cooking.